Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, lived two naughty crows, Clady and Kiara. Their favorite game pranking other birds and laughing like crazy. Hey Kiara, throwing garbage every night is getting boring. We need something bigger. Okay, my dear sister, let's trick Pinku and Pinky into thinking there's treasure outside their nest. Oh, brilliant! We will dress up trash like coal and juice. They will go crazy digging for it. Then Clady and Kiara fly back to their nest. Clady pulls out her old broken necklace. Look, Kiara, my old necklace. Today it's become a treasure trap. What do you mean, my dear sister? Yes, Kiara, I will paint it golden, then place it under Pinku and Pinky's tree. Tomorrow, they will think real treasure is buried there. And while they dig like crazy, we will be up in the tree laughing at them. Clady and Kiara fly toward Pinku and Pinky's nest. Clady paint the necklace golden and sneak under the pigeon's tree. Now it looks like a pure gold. Today's show will be amazing. They quietly place the necklace under the Pinku and Pinky's tree, then fly up to a branch holding back laughter. Pinku and Pinky step out of their nest and spot the necklace. Oh, this looks like a golden necklace, Pinku. Yes, dear wife, maybe treasure is buried under our tree. We must start digging right away. Pinku and Pinky start digging, but the Clady and Kiara peek from a branch above. Look at them, two pigeons turning into a construction worker. They think they are digging for treasure, but it's my old necklace. Pinku suddenly hit something hard. Hey Pinky, I found a box. Oh yes, a treasure box. The crows freeze, their laughter dies down. Hey Clady, this was not part of the plan. What if it's real? Oh no, what have we done? Pinku opened the box. Inside was the spoon and paint nails. Oh, what rubbish, Pinku. Pinky, my dear wife, someone tricked us. Suddenly, from the tree comes loud laughter. Hey, Pinku and Pinky, enjoy your royal tongue. Hey, Pinku and Pinky, congratulations, treasure hunters. You have discovered the treasure of trash. Pinku, time to teach them a lesson. Pinku and Pinky whisper to each other, plotting. Pinku and Pinky refill the box with red chili powder and place it under the tree. Pinku shout loudly, Oh, my such a valuable treasure! We must hide it quickly, dear Pinky. Then Clady and Kiara trolling. Our treasure, grab it now! Clady and Kiara rush down, open the box, pour chili powder, explode into their faces. Both crows screaming, my eyes, it burns! Oh, my face, it's so hot! Oh, Clady! Pinku and Pinky laugh while the crows tumble around sneezing. Next time, don't steal treasure that is not yours. Yes, and remember, real treasure is hard work, not garbage. The moral of the story, tricks and greed may seem fun at first, but they always backfire. So guys, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank